Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Oh my god, I'm showing my face again? It's been a while. You missed this, don't you? I've been just showing my hands, opening cars, you've been just hand reveal, just seeing my hands. So now, we got a new gaming computer, yeah! So I got this Dell computer, right? It is the newest one. It's like a laptop, so it's like the newest one. It's like a Dell, like Windows 11, like Dell, like G15 like 11. It's like the newest one, like 11. Pretty cool. It's in a big box. Like this is a pretty big box, guys. So this is like a new gaming, new gaming laptop because I use my iPad, right, for gaming Roblox. So I can use this one for gaming. This was meant for gaming. So just take a look, the performance, Let's just turn it around. Ugh. It is a Windows 11. Windows 11 computer. So yeah, this thing was heavy. So anyways, let's just side it. So this is like Windows 11, like i17 or something, like i7 or something. So I'm gonna open this. So yeah, let's go. So let's try to open it. Let's turn it the other way. Alrighty. Got a special knife, so let's cut it open. Oh, I'm using the wrong way. Oh, this is very nice. Better than my old knife, I swear. No. Yes! Oh, finally! Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, guys. So, okay, we gotta... Okay, guys, so let's just, take... We don't need this. Just throw it on the side. Oh! Gas. Okay, here it is. Our gaming laptop. Oh, what is this stuff? Oh, it's a charger. So, yeah, here's the charger, the plug and stuff. Oh, wow, look how big that is. You can, kind of pull it out. Well, this is so big. It's it's huge. So, here's the plug of the charger. Pretty cool. So, oh. Let's open this one. Oh, yeah, okay. So, okay. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Ooh. Thank you. So here is the wire. This is connecting it. This is pretty cool. So let's just take off the string. One sec. Because there's a little bit of plastic on it. There we go. Now that we got this extra, we don't need that. Really, I'll just throw it later. Okay, next it's this cardboard. This is some cardboard here. Throw it here. We don't need it. And yeah, guys, just take it out. Okay. Oh, here it is. Our gaming laptop. This is very fragile. Oh. Okay, let's just slow and steady remove. Here it is, the gaming. Oh, this is heavy. Look at this thing. Look, it's so beautiful. The color of it is I don't know, it's some weird gray color. Look at this thing. This thing's so cool. It's Dell. I have to take a look. It's a Dell. It's a triangle kind of. So maybe we should let's open it, guys. So let's just pop it open. Oh, I see. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's so nice. This is massive. Oh, the whole table's moving. All right, boys, look at this. Should we open it, guys? Let's see. Oh, some stuff inside. That is so clean. Oh, yo, look at this. It's all red. Ooh, it's got like all the breathers here. That's so cool. It has an RTX like graphics. That is so cool. RTX graphics on it. Look, it's got some cool breathers here. So if you take a look, like the Dell 19, it's for gaming, you know, like theme controlling and this right, the game switch, like, so, you know, kind of. It's got a full HD like thing on this. So here, these things here are like the breathers where the computer can breathe, and like, you know, all the red colors looks beautiful. I want to turn this on, but it doesn't work right now. But still, wow, this is like a cool computer, guys. Let's just take a look. The front, you know, here's the side. Take a look at that. Let's take a look at the other side. Here, let's see at the bottom. Okay, you got all another breathers. This thing looks sick. The plug is right here, so we just go like boop. So guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my other YouTube channel, like Zamir Gaming 101. I play Roblox and just like having some fun. So if you want to see my video, go in the link in the description. See my video. So yeah, guys, I guess that's the end of the video. So yeah, bye bye. No, go away. Bye.